getting ready for a new session of sanding the interior. I love this job. Wanna have a look? Come on.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love, and I'd stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love, and you see where this road will take us now.
What a dusty work. You can see here the remainder of the side support, which were used to support the bunk beds in the fourth cabin. I don't need those anymore, and I had to cut them off, and now I'm grinding the paint and the remainder of the side support. I'm quite pleased that I do that, not because of the extra work, but I'm able to figure out that the glass they used some 38, 39 years ago is not bonding properly anymore. So I have the perfect chance now to get everything done properly. As I said, I removed the paint. I will see underneath how it really looks like. And then I'm able to use proper filler. And once this is completed, I'm gonna use 1 or maybe 2 layers of 600 grams biaxial glass fiber. The forward cabin is now almost finished grinding. I only have to get rid of the upper side supports, which I will not use in the future. This machine is amazing, this angle grinder, but I think I was overdoing it a little bit too much now. I was grinding for, I don't even know, 4 hours straight. It's too hot and I think I destroyed it. So I guess I have to get myself a new one in order to finish my interior work. For the stringer, I'm creating a mold, and I use cardboard initially, which I would copy then onto my plywood. So the first mold is finished. I used a simple pen and a washer. In this case, I was able to follow the contour of the boat quite nicely, and I was able to copy my contours onto my cardboard, which again I copied onto my plywood. I just have to cut it and then it should fit perfectly well. I'm mixing now West System 404 together with epoxy to create a strong bonding to the hull. I got myself a new tool and using this trimmer to get a nice radius so that I can lay glass easily over my plywood. So let's get started. That worked out quite well. Now I just have to trim my plywood in order to match the correct form or shape of the boat. Now 2 of my floor elements are already glued to the hull. The third section is prepared. The simple reason, as you might remember, for the exchange of all my core elements was because they were all rotten. Now I have applied 38 millimeters of plywood and I will laminate those elements with 600 grams of biaxial glass fiber to the hull for better bonding. The fillets I made are quite strong as well, and that should ease the process when laminating the glass fiber. I'm modifying the bilge here because I realized it wasn't the lowest point in the boat, and that's why I'm here right now creating a watertight compartment where I in the future might install a new bilge pump. I'm continuing with the stringers now, and in order to copy paste the shape of the boat onto my plywood, I need a proper solution. With the smaller ones I use the cardboard and the washer and the pen to follow the shape accordingly. Now in this particular case, since this span is around 2.5 meters, I used stir sticks. As I ran out of stir sticks, I bought myself quickly this wooden cutlery. A knife, flat surface on this part, and in this case I can easily glue them together with the hot glue gun. And in this case, following my shape accordingly. So now I just have to copy the form of the boat or the shape onto my plywood and cut it with the jigsaw. It really fits like a glove. It still has some space for the filler. Now I just have to trim for a nice radius and I can glue it to the hull.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this